I'm immigration lawyer Nicole Whitaker, and I'm here with immigration lawyer Adriana Jimenez. And today we're going to be sharing with you guys some recent wins we've had on the team and maybe some interesting cases as well. Adriana, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good. It's been a big month for you and your team at Whitaker Legal.
Yeah, it definitely has. So I oversee two teams, and we have some cases that we've had big wins on that we wanted to jump on and share. Some of the wins, I focus on humanitarian-based cases and family-based cases, and big wins all around. So to focus a little bit on the humanitarian-based cases, so we have U visas. So U visas, as you know, are people who have been victims of certain crimes. You obtain a U visa certification, and with that, you're able to file a U visa for our clients and then certain family members. So in the last couple weeks, we've received 3 U visa certifications, 2 out of New Jersey, 1 out of California, for all kinds of crimes that unfortunately clients were victims of. But the good news is that they can now apply for them and their family members for a U visa. So
Yeah, without
great news.
having to leave the country.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. And then another one that we have a current U visa client who has been waiting. He was a victim of a second degree assault, and he included his wife on his U visa, and he and his wife just got their work permits this past month. So that's a great win for them. Their visa is still not available. It should be available soon, but in the meantime, they can work using that work permit and get a social security number and start to do all the things that people with work permits can do. So that's great news for them. Yeah. A couple other wins we have. So we have a longtime client. So she hired us to file for a marriage-based adjustment, so a green card. So we got her a green card. We also helped her remove her conditions. So that means that she was married for less than 2 years when she got her green card, and she has to remove the conditions after she received her 2 year green card. So we found that. And then recently we got her citizenship approved. So she's been a long time client, and it's just a really great news for her and her family. So we're really excited to be able to help our clients every step of the way.
Yeah, it's been a long time, but she stuck with us to the very end and is finally a US citizen.
Exactly. So now she has all of the rights of a citizen. She can vote. She will be able to get her U.S. passport. All of these benefits. She can travel outside of the U.S. for long periods of time if she wants to. So lots of benefits in getting her citizenship. So we're really excited about her win. Um,
Yeah.
yeah. And on the family side, so we handle consular cases. So those are for people who are either outside of the country, who are petitioning to enter as a resident or with another visa. We have gotten a couple wins on those as well, which is really exciting. So one client, he was living in the U.S. He's a U.S. citizen. He filed a petition for his wife, who lives in Ethiopia, where he's originally from. And due to the COVID backlogs, it had taken a while. The case was prolonged, and his wife became pregnant. So he would go visit her frequently, and she became pregnant. And then she's creeping up on, in this pregnancy to 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, and we're like, I don't know if we're gonna get an interview soon. So I requested her case to be expedited because she's pregnant and the family wants to be reunited to live and have their baby here together. And luckily that was approved. She went to her interview. Everything went really well, smoothly, and she was granted her visa and she was able to enter prior to giving birth. So she was able to have her whole family together to bring in their new baby. So that was really cute and exciting.
And since their child was born inside the US, he's automatically a US citizen. They didn't have to jump through any additional hoops to get his proof of US citizenship or passport to travel here. So that's
Exactly.
awesome.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yeah, so they came from Ethiopia, so that's been great. And I really love serving clients from all different places because everyone, it's just so great. Like we had the longtime client, she was from Kenya. This
Mhm.
client and his family, they're from Ethiopia, and it's just so rewarding to help people from all over the world. Um, the other client that we had, so this is a U.S. citizen mother who filed a petition for her married daughter back in April of 2006. So she filed the petition, and last week, actually, the visa was approved for her and her husband, and they're coming from Bangladesh. So they're going to be entering into the U.S. soon as lawful permanent residents. So really exciting for their family.
That's awesome. Awesome after such a long, long wait.
Yeah, exactly. Like imagine from April 2006, a really long time, to be reunited with her mother, who's elderly now, and um, be reunited after so long is going to be a great reunion.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, on just one of your teams this month alone, um, we had two marriage green cards approved. One green card approved based on VAWA. Um, three I-751s approved to get their permanent green card after they were given a 2-year conditional residence, and two N400 citizenship applications approved. And we have a handful more cases with interviews this month that hopefully will
Yeah.
get their green card really soon.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
We're
one
really
thing
excited about them.
that we're seeing in the N400 citizenship application cases is how quickly some of them are being adjudicated. One of the two cases that we closed this month was filed with USCIS and got their decision, had their oath ceremony. That client is now a US citizen in just 3 months.
Hmm.
Not all cases are being adjudicated that quickly, but so many are. So if you have been thinking about scheduling or scheduling a consultation to learn more about citizenship and file your citizenship application, now is the time. Processing times with USCIS are always fluctuating. They're going up, they're going down, and right now seems to be like a magic time for citizenship cases in particular.
Definitely. Yep.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Adriana, for sharing this wonderful news about all of your cases and the big wins that your team has had this month. For those of you guys watching this video, if you're interested in scheduling a consultation with Adriana or me, give us a call at 410-207-9272. We represent clients all over the country in their immigration cases, helping people get work permits, green cards, travel authorizations, U.S. citizenship, helping them petition for their family members all over the world. So thank you, Adriana, and we'll see you guys next time on Immigration.